Yan mo, yung ano. Manual.
Hindi na pati pa wala.
Hindi, ayaw mo.
Manual relay 1.
Oh.
Selector 1, selector 2, manual, relay 2, selector 3, contactor 1,
Okay, yan na yan.
tapos selector 4, contactor 2,
Oo.
tapos selector 5, relay 3, tapos selector 6, relay 4, manual.
Auto.
So, auto, selector 1 auto, selector 2 auto. So, ang trigger niya yung timer 1. So, every 8 hours. So, jog, relay 1, blower 1, then off. Tapos, another 8 hours, relay 2, blower 2. Okay, sir.
Kaya.
Tapos, yung palitan sila, relay 1 ulit, blower 1, blower 2.
Okay.
Tapos, okay, sir.
So, HMI.
So, ito yung sabihan ko dun, sir. Order lang ako po, sir.
Ha?
Okay na po ito.
Okay na yan.
So, ito yung submersible every 8 hours. Set on. Then, gumana sa 8 hours. Nag-on si submersible.
Off.
Off. On. Off.
Okay, sige.